Yo, what up? My name's Todd Cheney. My crib, niggas. Ain't no trap house. Regular smoking activity in this motherfucker. Nigga Jeff Rocco right there. Say what's up to the camera, yo. What's good, bud? What up, yo? Look, as I sit back, relax, smoking this jack, about to go up in my garage, just roll another dub sag, hit the bong like Cheech and Chong, all the way to Hong Kong, motherfucker, twist it up, roll it up, can't smoke more than me, get on this grind, motherfucking not drinking wine on that Hennessy, more than that, goddamn, your girl's a dime, goddamn, fine piece, more than fucking that, coming back, I run this shit because I run the fucking track, smoking mad weed, drinking Hennessy every day. Already in the hospital, fucking deadly motherfucker, wrecked another car, and I'm on another car. I don't even know what I'm saying because I'm fucking hard. That shit go pretty good.